Yeah. Hey, hop in the Maybach cruising. Yeah. I get the cake, they lose it.
So what's going on, y'all? Today I'm gonna be wrapping my interior with this 5D carbon fiber wrap that I got from eBay. Like I was saying in the last video, I picked it up for like, I think it was $50. So I'm not really expecting it to be, you know, top notch up there with, you know, like Vivid or Avery, stuff like that. So it's not really no big expectations on it. I just wanted to, you know, make my trim pieces look a little bit better because I don't like this little fake marble or wood grain, whatever it is. I don't like it. So without further ado, let's get to the video.
Later.
So now it's the next day. I finally finished with the center console and the trim pieces on my dash. I still had to finish the pieces on my doors and stuff, but it took me forever yesterday to finish it, and I had to go somewhere. So I'll finish my doors another time, and I might record that. I'm not sure though. I'm not sure if I'll do that yet. But for the most part, I like how it turned out. It's a few little things I messed up on, but you can't really tell. Only I mean, I can see it. If you really looking at it, you might be able to see it, but some of the stuff is not really in sight. But I mean, I really like it. I like how it turned out. Looks good. Makes the car look much better. And this is my first time successfully wrapping something. Because any other time I use vinyl wrap, I've always fucked up. The only thing I didn't fuck up on was my grill. I mean, not my grill, but like, it's this piece that my grill sit in. that's connected to the bumper, I wrapped that part in matte black, and that's the only thing that turned out well. But that wasn't even hard because I just laid the manual in there and wrapped it around. So I accomplished something, and I feel good about it because it turned out good. And then I'll see how the doors turn out when I do those. But without further ado, that's the end of this video, and I'll see y'all in the next.
Yeah. Hey, hop in the Maybach cruising. I get the cake, they lose it. I get the cake, hoes choose it. These niggas fake, we do it. Hopping up in the rave, zooming. Sipping on the drink, snoozing. Walking into the bank, foolish. Trying to copy, you can't do it. Hotel to play me, I ain't stupid. She wanna lay up, I ain't.